Okay, this is off a 1999 Toyota Camry, 4-cylinder, and I'm just replacing the fuel pump. This is what the top looks like. There's other videos that show you how to get this far. This is original to the car, and so I'm taking it apart for the first time. Just want to show you how to get this off. So just take a pair of pliers and get this off of here. I just slid this one down, and then this part is pretty cool how Japanese did this one. You just have to push this up. Okay, just pushing this up, and this will swing out of the way like this. Okay, and then you just have to be gentle, pull this down. Then you have to push this in, pull this off. You can see I'd done this before the video, right? This part was on this side, and that's pretty much it right there. Then the pump, I got a Denso pump, and I'm just gonna see if it looks the same. This was like 80 bucks, I want to say 90 bucks, but I guess there's a difference between Japanese made and US made Camrys. Mine is a Japanese made Camry, and so as you can see, you know, this is looking pretty identical here, right? So and you'll know if you look at your car and you look at the VIN number. There's stuff on the internet that shows you about that too. So you don't need to buy a whole new pump assembly. I'm just gonna put this one back in. It comes with another, you know, filter. Looks identical. Comes with a kit. I'm not gonna need to use some of these pieces. You know, the rubber, I'm gonna cut that to length so that it matches the old one. And I'm not going to need to use a lot of this adapter stuff. This is, I guess, for other variations. Anyways, that's it.